Configuring opening and closing hours for incoming calls. What does this mean? This is something we like to receive the incoming calls from our customers, our clients, or those who are in business relationship. So what we can do, like normally there are working hours, standard working hours from 9 to 5. So when somebody calls during that hours, our IVR will have the nice greeting for them, and then they can select the desired extensions or the service they are looking for on the IVRs, and then can be connected to that particular extensions or department. So what we do, if somebody even after calls, after closing hours, then we'll have a very nice greetings that says the business is closed, and they can leave the voicemail message to the voicemail box. So let me show you how we can do that. Yes, same again on the PBX configuration menu. Here is, I have two things. One is time conditions and the time group. So first of all, I need to create the time group. As you can see right now, I have the server timing. I mean that you need to adjust your timing as well. So if you can use the NTP, because your server should have the standard timing. Otherwise, caller may face a problem, because if they call and your business is closed, then they will not be able to talk to you. So what I will do, I'll put the standard working hours. Then what is the starting time? Normally we start at 9. Okay, here is a hint. If you are starting by 9, then you should put 08:59, because exactly if somebody call it 9:00, then you will be able to connect to them. But if you exactly select 9 and 00 here, then after a minute, like at 9, if you select 9 and 00 here, then it will work like somebody will be calling you at exactly 9 o'clock, and your system will still play the non-working hours message. So this is very important. Then whenever we are finishing it, let's say we finish by 5. 5 is somehow 17 in the 24-hour format. That's it. Let us put the same thing, 59. No, this is something like 6 o'clock we are finishing. So I'll be putting here. If somebody call at 5:00, at that time our business will be closed. What we can do is Monday to Thursday, that is the weekday start. When we are finishing is on Friday. So you can choose whatever you like. I mean, you can do it. The month start date, month end date is 31st. Month start, yeah, that is actually the standard one all across the world. So that is what our standard working hours. You can create multiple time group if you are having some particular holiday or public holiday. Your customer who calls you, or even if they call, they will be receiving the message. The same time group you need to create, putting that, and then you can select into the main time condition. So let me hit this. I'll apply. Now I have the standard working hours. I'll go to the time conditions. Here I'll put the standard working hours, the same thing which I did. And what I'll do, I'll select this one, because that is the group which I have configured, which contain the complete details. When I'm working, when I'm not working, timing, day and time, week, etc. These two fields are important. So what it says, destination if time matches. So if somebody calls during working hours, want him to connect to the IVR, and that is our main IVR which we have created in the previous videos. Similarly, if somebody calls after working hours, what you like to do is to do some announcement or the message you want to play as announcement. What this announcement we did in the previous video, that it will play the message, and then it will direct the caller to the voicemail. You can just hit submit and then apply config. That's it. Our time condition is also ready.